Hello students, welcome to grammar class. In this video, we are going to see about subordinating conjunctions. Before that, we'll see about conjunctions. Conjunctions are also known as connectors or linkers or link words. We use conjunctions to join words, a group of words or sentences. There are three types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. A conjunction that joins the subordinate clause to the main clause is called subordinating conjunctions. When, though, although, since, until, till, after, as, before, if, unless, whereas, while, because, etc. are subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions show a specific relationship between ideas. The words such as after, while, since, until, when, before are subordinating conjunctions which is used for time. So that, in order that are used for purpose. Unless, as long as, if are used for condition. Subordinating conjunctions such as, since, because are used for reason. Where and whereas are used for place, whether, than are used for choice, although, even though, whereas, while are used for contrast. Subordinating conjunction joins dependent clause to independent clause. A subordinating conjunction always occurs at the beginning of the dependent clause. Subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause plus independent clause. Or it can be written as first independent clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. Now we'll see some examples where the subordinating conjunctions comes in the beginning of a sentence. Here, although Rohit was unwell, he played the match. Here, although is a subordinating conjunction. Although Rohit was unwell is dependent clause. He played the match is an independent clause. In this sentence, as is a subordinating conjunction. As I did not sleep well last night, I am tired today. So, as I did not sleep well last night is a dependent clause. I am tired today is an independent clause. In this sentence, after is a subordinating conjunction. After I came from school, I wrote the homework. After I came from school is a dependent clause. I wrote the homework is independent clause. In the following examples, you'll find that the subordinating conjunction comes after the independent clause and before the dependent clause. Example, I took an umbrella because it was raining. Here, because is a subordinating conjunction. We cannot start for Delhi until Megha arrives. Here, until is a subordinating conjunction. Complete the homework so that you can be free tomorrow. In this sentence, so that is a subordinating conjunction. You should always remember that the subordinating conjunction comes before the dependent clause. Thanks for watching.